Hello and welcome to Spoken English Studies. Today we are going to be looking at the difference between alone and lonely. First, let's look at what type of words these are. So, as you can see, alone can be used as an adjective and an adverb, and lonely can only be used as an adjective. Now let's look at the usage. Alone means not with other people, or solo. There is no one else with us at the time. So when we use alone as an adjective, we could say, I was alone at the beach enjoying the sunshine. When we use alone as an adverb of manner is describing when something happens. We can say, I live alone. So this is saying, I live solo. I do not live with anyone else. We can use the word lonely when we want to describe a feeling or emotion. Lonely describes a feeling of sadness because a person is alone or not with other people. So for example, I was feeling very lonely when my boyfriend and I broke up. This usage is as an adjective. If you have any further questions, please write a comment. If you like my video, please press like, and as always, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for your time and bye.